Hey y'all, so we're going to do another song. This song is 8 Days a Week by the Beatles, and it was requested by Blake from our coachArt, one of our coachArt kids who's learning how to play guitar. He actually looks quite talented, so let's do this song. Actually, 8 Days a Week was one of the very first songs that I learned, so it's a lot of fun and brings back some good memories. The chords and lyrics will be in the description below. I do it a little bit different, so you can play it as it is in the description, or you can follow along here. Also, if you want actually the song sheet that I use, you can just email me and I will send that out to you. Okay, so let's do the chords. The chords we're going to need are D, and B minor. You can do the easy version if you like that, or the regular version, the full version, or a chord version. A G, an E, and an E7, which is pretty easy. You do one or the other, and the last chord you need is an A. Those are the chords we need. The song starts off with a really cool intro based on the chords D, E, and G. So let's get started on that. And it also has a really cool rhythm. So starting with the D chord, lift up your middle finger, right? And you just strum that. Right? Da da dum dum. Then you just merely take your other fingers off, slide that pointer finger over one fret, and you strum that. That's the E. The third part is you grab the high E on the third fret, that's the G. And then the last part, the fourth part, is strumming a D. All right, let's play that whole thing through. All right, so we grab that D version, to the E, to the G, and then strum a D. And that's the intro. The chord progression for the verse is pretty straightforward. It's D, E7, G, D, and then you play that twice. The song is in 4/4 time, and each of these chords is going to get 4 beats because it's one chord per measure. So while we're practicing it, we'll just do some downstrokes. So we'll do 4 downstrokes per chord in the first verse, okay? So D, 1, 2, 3, 4, E7, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. We do it again. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, E7, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, and D, 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the verses are exactly like that. You just play the verses exactly the same. The chord progression for the chorus is the next section, and that starts off B minor, G, B minor, E, and then D, E7, G, D. So if you're following along, let's just do that together. We start with the B minor. You could do the full B minor, you could do the easy B minor, whatever one you want, right? So B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, E7, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and that is the chorus. The last section is the bridge, and the chord progression for the bridge is A, B minor, E, and then G, A shares the last measure of the bridge. I'll show you how to play that. All right, so we start off with an A. So I play it, by the way, sometimes with just one finger, which you can do, or you can play with 3 fingers, whatever you like to do. One of the reasons I like to play one finger on the A is it makes it a little bit easier for me to jump to the B minor that way, because I'm just sliding my fingers around, right? But you could still play it like that, and you can go to your easy B minor that way as well, whatever you'd like to do. So the first measure of the bridge is in A, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to a B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and E, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last measure is G, 1, 2, and then back to A for 3 and 4. That's the only tricky part of the song, is that last measure sharing a G and A. I forgot there's actually another section, the outro. The outro is where they're singing 8 days a week. And it's G and D sharing a measure. So it's 2 beats of G and then 2 beats of D. So it's G, 1, 2, D, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, D, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, D, 3, 4. So that's the outro, and that's like 8 days a week. Then after you do that, you do 8 days a week, you say that, sing that 3 times, then you can finish the song exactly the way you started it, with that riff. Right? And that's how you can finish it. I like to kind of like really arpeggiate that, hit each individual string just to give that a little bit more flair. But that's how it ends. That's how the outro's done. Strum patterns. You know me, I really don't like telling people how to strum a song, because I think you really have to find your groove yourself and do what works for you. And that's really important, because it really makes the song alive, and it makes it, much more of your own personality. And this song, just as we learned, it works fine if you're just doing downstrokes. Ooh, I need your love, babe. Guess you know it's true. Works fine. But since I get so many questions, I just thought I'd give you one alternative that may be helpful. And it's really based on that downstroke. So 3 downstrokes, 1, 2, 3. And instead of that 4th downstroke, you do up, down. So 1, 2, 3, up, down. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And you can try that. If you're focusing so much on down, 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 up, down, you're probably not getting the song right, because it's just not getting that feel. So it's just something to think about, just something just to groove on. Sometimes you just may want to go up, down, up, down, up, down. Whatever kind of makes you feel good about the song is the way you should do it. So let's just do an example. Ooh, I need your love, babe. Yes, you know it's true. Hope you need my love, babe, just like I need you. Not even sure how I strummed that. I just kind of went up and down and changed it the way I felt it. Alrighty, that was 8 Days a Week by the Beatles. It was a lot of fun. Great request, Blake. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. All the songs that we do here are for coachArt. coachArt is an amazing organization that provides music, art, STEM, lots of different services for kids who have long-term illnesses. So check out coachArt to find a way that you can get more involved or support us any way you can. And have a great day. So long.